Good morning, it's Friday, and I'm just going to talk as I pack up. We are in Branson. I mentioned on my last vlog that we were in Branson. We got here Wednesday night, and today is Friday morning. We're heading home, and I bought a bunch of stuff. This is like all like really taffy I bought at Silver City. So anyway, reselling. I had auctions that ended last night, Thursday. It actually did much better than I expected. So I had brought my laptop, so I just get invoices from home. And then each night, like Wednesday night and then last night, we had like an hour or two to kill just relaxing in the condo. So I just cropped pictures while watching TV with Robert. That was fun. This was a souvenir mug. And anyway, the auctions did really good. And I also, that online auction site, Mound City Auctions, they had auctions that ended yesterday. And I won a bunch of postcards, and so now I just wait for the confirmation email. And I will pick those up on Tuesday. Hopefully it's early because I am babysitting the girls on Tuesday night. So, oh yeah, alright, I want food stuff to stay in this one. That's not food, I do wash it. And then the plush I won. So anyway, yeah, I still love a little when I'm on vacation. I had a couple questions last night. I swear I only have questions when I'm on vacation. But they were easy questions, no big deal. So I'm gonna finish, we're gonna load the car, we're gonna go out for breakfast, and then we're heading home. It's Friday, it's 8 a.m. As you can see, we're packed, the car's packed, tons of stuff. We're just leaving the condo right now. I think we're gonna head out to breakfast. There's a breakfast place that has huge pancakes. So we're gonna check that out. We've heard about it numerous times, we've just never tried it. Gonna get that on the way out, and then we are heading 4 hours home. All right, no pancake place. We drove by it. It's like a mom and pop place. It's a very small building. It has great reviews. The parking lot was absolutely full. Like there had to been at least 30 cars there, and you can't, like, it's an old country road, so there's like, you only can park in the parking lot. There's no like make your own parking spots because it's like a cliff behind it. So, and it was like jam-packed. Actually, I think half those cars were blocked by other cars. I don't know how people are gonna leave. We've tried this like what, 5 times?
5 times, and it's always, the one thing that I note is it just seems like there's a lot of locals that go there.
Yeah. And they hang out and talk.
I don't think it's a tourist
no hurry.
place because you see a lot of pickup trucks.
Yeah.
And I'm just pretty sure that's the local people.
Yeah, I think it's like local people who hang out. They are in no hurry, and so it's just like there's no parking spots. So we gave up. We are already left Branson area. I think we're just going to check out Springfield, which is like a half-hour away. We're stopping there anyway. We have for cheese, but that place doesn't open till 9. So if we're too early, well, I think there's a Cracker Barrel right there, maybe a McDonald's. Not really what we wanted to do, but we also don't want to wait an hour to eat pancakes because we got things to do. We had a whole bunch of orders last night. Want to get home and package. It's Friday. It's still a work day for us since we didn't do anything yesterday. Gotta work, but I do have to have food. So my sister was watching my Insta story yesterday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I'd appreciate it. I post a lot of like toy photos, and then I'll post stuff, everyday stuff on the Insta story. And since yesterday we were at Silver City, I posted a lot of food videos or food quick clips, and she called me. She's like, "Is that all you're doing is eating?" Yeah, pretty much. We eat a lot. We love food. That's what we do. So, and then the hotel. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It rained all day yesterday. I'm just coughing really bad. Anyway, back to the hotel. I don't want to seem like I complain a lot, but I do. Kind of do, don't I? We love the condo. It was very clean, very pretty. It was all new stuff. Robert read that they had refurbished everything a couple years ago, but there was no hot water. This super nice room, and there's no hot water. How can you have no hot water? So the cold water, you had to run the cold water for 10 minutes. You'd get 1 minute of hot water, and it would go back to cold. It was the weirdest thing in the world. There was a condo right next to us, and ours was like I don't even remember the number, but it was like, let's just say the room next to us was 106, and then we're like 106B. So does that mean like we shared a hot water heater? And I swear the room next to us had like 20 people in it. So I don't know if they used all the hot water or what, because like if you wait 10 minutes to get hot water, does that mean it's just slowly warming up? It was the worst. Like, and like if it was summer, I wouldn't care. I can take lukewarm showers in the summer. But it's winter. It was 30 degrees last night. We just needed to warm up. So that's a bummer. Because I really wanted to come back, but now I'm all going to be paranoid. Are we going to have hot water? Because I love my showers. I'm a shower every day girl, and it just kind of puts a bummer when you can't take a shower, or I mean, I did take a shower, a freezing cold shower. So, and see this hair? This takes at least 10 minutes to wash. So I need more than a minute of hot water. So that's my complaint. Other than that, we did love the room. They had a, coughing again, sorry. What was the fireplace? An electric fireplace?
It was gas.
It was gas. Okay, gas. You're right. Gas fireplace. That's what we have at home. A gas fireplace.
Yeah.
It was super nice. I really did enjoy the room. It's just, and then sound. What is it with no one sleeping in? You can't sleep in because everyone's up, out and about, walking around, being loud. But I think I just complain about that at every hotel.
See, I don't get it. Like, if you come in here, you're coming here for a vacation, most likely.
Yes.
Not for business.
Yes, these are all vacation people.
Why are you getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning and there's nothing to do until maybe 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
I don't.
We're used to, like, when you go to
I don't
Disney,
get it.
everyone sleeps in at Disney. Everyone sleeps in at Disney. That's why if you want to go to the parks, you go right when it opens at 8, because most of the families don't get there till 11.
See, that's
because
actually
they're all
when
sleeping in.
That's when we get up early. It's
Yeah.
Because we know we can get into the parks early.
Yeah.
And
So
actually here, there's nowhere to go. I'm seriously, there's nowhere to go. And
no, why? There's no point in getting up at 7. Well, I guess maybe you're going to the pancake place.
Yeah, that must be it.
That's
it.
it. You're going to the pancake place.
I have no idea.
But we did have a fun trip. It was, even though it rained yesterday, we had a really fun trip. And there was a chance of it turning into snow. A couple minutes it was sleet, but it never turned into snow. I was just looking at Instagram before I got on. My cousin lives in Illinois, middle Illinois somewhere, and she posted a picture. They have the first snow, like a lot of snow. It was beautiful. Would I have rather had snow last night? I think I might have, because it was Christmassy. I wouldn't have minded the snow. So all we got was rain, and more rain. So anyway, we are heading, where are we going?
We're getting gas.
We're getting gas. So anyway, I'm sure I'll post more if we figure out where we're going to have breakfast, and you know we are going to do rest stops. So we still got 4 to 5 hours before we are home. All right, we're in Springfield. Belgian waffle and pancake house. I've never ate here. Have you ever ate one of these?
Never.
Isn't this like a chain?
Never been here.
I think it's
know
a
anything
chain.
about them.
It's near the cheese factory, which is not open yet. So talk Robert into coming. Alright, I got eggs over easy, hash browns, Robert got eggs, waffles, pancakes, just a standard pancake breakfast. He likes his sunny side up. I like mine over easy, right? Did I get it right? We're at our favorite cheese store. Robert has a whole handful of cheese and beef.
No, that's all I'm getting.
That's all you're. We're not doing as much as last time because we still have some cheese left over from Wisconsin. But I like these burger cheese. I was hoping they had some pimento cheese, but they don't. That's a bummer. I want some pimento cheese. I don't know if you can see it, but there's snow, a light dusting of snow on those trees. And there was a car on the side of the road that had snow on it.
There's snow there.
Oh, there, this side. Can you see that snow? So we're like 2 hours from home. And snow, I just point this out because it's like what, November 9th?
Yeah.
It's way early for us.
Yeah.
It's way early for Missouri. This where we come, you know what I'm saying? I've never seen snow this early. I mean, it's a light dusting, obviously, but yeah,
Sure.
that's crazy. But you know what the best thing from working from home? Every day's a snow day in December.
Very much.
Especially since our postal lady comes to our house to pick up her packages, we don't have to worry about like whether we're gonna make it or not. Unless it's like really bad. But she's like, I've talked to her about it before. Like, it has to be like next to like a world disaster for them not to work. Because I always feel bad when it's raining and snowing, and she's like, nope, she's used to it. More snow. You definitely see it better on the trees now. And then the radio said that we were had a chance of snowstorms this afternoon. Right there. Look at that. Look at the snow. It's only November. What did we say it was? 9th? 17th? 9th? What is today? The 9th. I think it's the 9th. Look at all that snow. And now there's like raindrops on the windshield. Could be snow. Could be snow. Alright, we're home. We're home. Why is there no cat to greet me? Ollie. Interesting. Where is Ollie? Now I'm a little worried. There's Monkey. Hi, Monkey. No cats in the window. Ollie, there you are. Are you not greeting me? I missed you. I missed you. Yes, yes I did. Why are you sleeping in my bed? What's up with that? You have 20 billion beds and you have to sleep in this one? Yes you do. Alright, let's go help Daddy unpack the car. You coming? Come on. Come on. No? You just gonna stay there? Don't you want to say hi to Daddy? Alright. Be that way. There is Sunny. I was worried about you. You just lay on the vent. It is awfully cold. I don't blame you. She's laying on the vent. She's looking at Daddy.
Hi, baby.
I don't know where she came strolling
How are
from.
you doing? Huh? Yeah? Hi. Hey, baby. How you doing?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Here
there's
comes
Monkey. Hi, Monkey.
Do you all think it's dinner? It's not. It's like 1 o'clock. We just got home.
Monkey, where are you going? Monkey.
I think, oh my God.
Do you think it's time to eat?
They do.
Oh.
The Monkey's going into the laundry room. She eats in the laundry room. Monkey, no. You already had breakfast. The pet sitter already texted us.
Come here.
You're good to go.
Oh, she's going to shun me.
You're good to go for another 5 hours.
Are you going to shun me? Are you going to shun me? Hi, what are you doing, pretty girl? She's like, I don't know if I want to see you.
What? You're just going to walk right past Dad?
She's going to like walk around me and act like she doesn't know that I'm here. Yeah. How you doing, huh? How are you? Hi, Fuzzy. Yeah, it's good to see you too.
Alright, girls. I got work to do. I want to get to the post office before. We were listening to the Weather Channel on the way on the car, in the car, and apparently it's, what'd they call it? Snow?
Bursts?
Snow bursts? I don't know.
They said snow squalls.
Snow squalls, which, hello, we don't live on the ocean, so there's no
No.
squalls here. So then he changed it to snow bursts, which I've never heard of that either. So we need a package real quick before these mysterious snow bursts arrive. So, alright, Ollie, you gonna help me? You gonna help me? I got a bunch of labels. I gotta take my laptop back upstairs and
Did you get everything
print
out?
labels.